Yes, the recording process is running. So, of course, a very good morning, everyone. It's me, BN Chaudhary, and today we are going to discuss about the computer subject that computer science, and this is our related time for the Zoom application that help us to easily share our information through online. Anyway, thanks. And let me tell you, today we are going to discuss about the different topics. The next topic's name is that I'm going to share you the topic. I'm going to share it right now. Here is a screen. That screen you can watch in your screen. I have already shared. Okay. In that screen, today we are going to read the next new chapter, generation of computer. We are going to discuss about the new chapter, generation of computer. Okay. So everyone, please open your book. If you have, if you don't have, it's okay. You can maintain your concentrations in the screen. Okay. So of course, it's because of the weather we are delayed today, but I don't want to miss my time. So please come to the point. Today we are going to discuss about the history of computer. Actually, what is called history of computer that you know already. History means it was the past time where the different types of where the different types of achievement, different types of contribution has made. It means especially the step by step process of the development of electric related devices like computer, calculator, or any types of related mechanical things. Okay, so let's discuss about the history of computer. It has been written in your screen also. In early days, there were no facilities to count and calculate. People at the same time used different types of ideas to count, to inform ways such as using tables, drawing lines, sketching on walls, etc. It has been written here. That contribution, we know that the history of computer begin from the counting and computation. Counting and computation. That counting and computation means that you know already calculations. We'll of course explain. There is a great contribution of scientists, mathematicians, philosophers, engineers, and many more organizations to bring the computer at present stage. The historical development of the computer can be categorized in three distinct era. They are mechanical era, that you know, mechanical era, electromechanical era, and the electromechanical era, mechanical era. It's all are the related process of the history. Okay, wait outside. Okay, so it's all are the related things about the generation that we will discuss later on. Okay, so come to the okay, Babu. Okay, wait, please. I'll join. Okay, come to find them. It has been written here. Different types of era, different types of related things that we have already started. And in our book it has been written here different types of philosophers, different types of mathematicians and engineers, many more organizations like that you know already. Google is the company that company will help us to regenerate, reproduce the different types of mechanical, electromechanical related things. Now this era we are using the very advanced technology for the field of our related workplace. So it's all are the related things. What type of contribution has made by the computer scientist, computer philosophers and engineers? All the related things is included in the history. That is called
So
history of
what are the
computer.
three era, mechanical era and other two?
Mechanical era. Okay. First one is the mechanical era. Next one is the electromechanical era, and the next last one is the electronic era. Electronic era. Okay. Are you confirmed? Hello.
Yes, sir, confirm.
Okay, thank you. Let me tell you one more time. There are three types of distinct era. It has been written in your books too. That three distinct era means that type of related time and the money will invest by the different types of researchers, different types of scientists, organizations, and it's because of that type of related types of activity for the deep study computer is going to develop the stage of the contribution. So it's all are the included things of history of computer. So let's discuss about the mechanical era related devices. What type of related device are known as the mechanical device? Okay. So okay, it has been written here in the mechanical era. I have been already screening in my screen also that you can already watching over there. Mechanical era, there is the different types of computer, different types of related things will be developed till that moment. Okay, so in the mechanical era it has been written here abacus. I'm going to tell you very shortly. Abacus is one of the Abacus is one of the manual calculating device that you know already. Are you getting me? Hello, are you getting me? Excuse me. Hello.
Oh, getting, sir.
Okay, okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, okay. Thank you, thank you. So it has been written here already. Abacus, Napier bones, slide rules, Pascal line, Leibniz calculating machine, Jacquard loom, and the last one is the Charles Babbage related devices, related mechanical things or electromechanical devices. Okay, so in the abacus, we need to discuss a little bit things to the related. It has been written here before 2500 to 300 years ago. 2500 to 300 years ago, it was the method how to count, how to calculate, and all these types of related work has assigned by a type of symbolic and by the indicating any types of object, like we can exchange the cow from the mill, the cow we can exchange to the other house, we can exchange buffalo to the paddy. This was the actually this was the method till that moment. All the related development they are using the counting system for to understand the calculation of the related stage. So it has been written here before 2500 to 300 years ago. Abacus was the first manual calculating device. Abacus is the first manual calculating device that can help us to calculate. In detail, we can read in our books. Okay. Next one is the Napier Bones 1617 AD. What is called Napier Bones? I have already tell you. It is the collection of history, and in that history there are many more related researchers, mathematicians, philosophers, engineers are participate. So all the related things it has been included in the history. Napier bones is also known as Napier's rod. This one, okay. It's a it's a photo of abacus that we can see in our screen. It has been written here: upper deck, lower deck, bead, beam, frame, rods. How to calculate this type of related abacus, that you can easily watch the YouTube channel also. How to calculate the related device by using manual calculation. So it's all are the related things that we need to discuss. Then we need to talk. Okay. So it's all are the remaining thing. It has been written here in earlier days there were no facility to count and calculate. People are at the same time using different types of related things means to count in formal ways such as using tables, drawing lines, sketching on wall, etc. Many more contributions. Okay, there is contribution of scientists, mathematicians. That contributions that you know already, scientists, mathematicians, philosophers, engineer, and many organizations to bring the computer at present stage. We are using very advanced technology now these days. How is it possible? Because it was the day the researcher, the different types of computer scientists, developers, they are investing their money, their time to the contribution that was prepared by the investing by different types of time and money also. So it's all are the related things that is important to us. Okay. Next one is the Napier bones. I'm going very shortly here. Napier bones, it was also the related types of contribution. The Napier bones, also known as Napier's rod, was invented by the Scotch mathematicians. That it has been written here by Scotch mathematicians John Napier in 17 AD. Each bones on the constituted consisted of set of 10 vertical rectangular rods. The rods correspond to the digits 0 to 9 and a special 11th rod is used to represent the multiplier. Basically, it was very useful for the finding multiplication at the time.
Sir,
Yes.
which chapter?
Uh, it's a second chapter. It's a history of computer. It's a history of computers. Please open your second chapter. Okay, thank you. Let's discuss about the related things. It has been written here. Different types of related calculations about the Napier bones that you know already. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. That type of calculation, actually, this was the preferred method by the using different types of skill, different types of logic. That logic it has been developed. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Without instead of plus, we can utilize to multiply 2. That is means 2 2 to 4 and 2 2 to the 4 like that. So it's all are the related things that is known as the contribution by the Napier bones. It has been written here. It has a set of rods allowing computation of to how many? It has been written here different calculations. That calculation is someone waiting. Wait. Admit all. Okay. Okay, so it has set of rods allowing computation of the I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 100 lakhs. The left or index rod is fixed to the case, and that type of related things is that been captured by the internet. It's many more things that we need to discuss. We need to go deeply. Come to the next point. Next one is the slide rule. About the slide rule, this is the name of that type of related scientist that you know already, Napier bones. The slide rule, also known colloquially as a slip stick, is a mechanical analog computer. Slide rules. It's a mechanical analog computer. The slide rule is used primarily for multiplication and division, and also for the functions such as roots, logarithms, and the trigonometry, but it is normally used to addition or subtraction. It has been already written in your books too. It has been printed very clearly. William authored a type of the name of scientist William authored and other developed the slide rule in the 17th century based on the emerging works on logarithm by John Napier Bones. John Napier Bones, it was the researcher. He was the researcher. He contribute. He made a slide rule, and in that related device, we can easily calculate the different types of related calculation like addition and subtraction. Next one is the next one is the Pascal line.
No.
Pas, With the Pascal line, that Pascal line we can utilize that Pascal line. That Pascal line is used for the different types of related development. Also, it has been related. The French mathematicians, Blaise Pascal invented a first true mechanical calculating device called Pascal line. It is also considered as the first mechanical calculator. First, mechanical calculator. With the help of this calculator, we can calculate the related addition and subtraction. It has been written here. This device is also used to calculate addition and subtraction. Basically, in conclusion, we can say all the development of these different types of researchers, it was the process. That process we have been already completed, and now we are using very advanced technology. It was the history. So we better to utilize the guideline also through your books. Next one is the Leibniz calculating machine. Leibniz calculating machine, 1617 AD. It was also the same thing. German mathematician Gottfried Wilhelm von Leibniz invented a calculating machine called Leibniz calculating machine. It was also known as a step reckoner, which is based on the principle and idea of Pascal line. Pascal line related logics, related formula that Leibniz calculating machine related scientist was used. It could be performed sub, multi, and division. Totally related things. Next one is Jacquard loom. Jacquard loom is also the contribution made by Joseph Marie Jacquard invented an automatic weaving machine called Jacquard loom. The function of loom was dependent on the presence of hole or absence of the holes on the punched card. Actually, there is the punch card system, on and off system, that you know already. In the computer, 0 and 1 indicate 0 to 9. That is the related types of binary language that will understood by the computer easily. So there is the actually some types of related configuration has been provided by the developer, on and off system also. It was the method of the electromechanical related device where we can utilize on and off. Maybe in our computer, it was the oldest computer Pentium 4. There is the power switch on and off, switch on and off. That switch on and off is also related to the same logic of the Jacquard loom and the related presence. Presence, it has been written here. Loom was dependent upon the presence of hole or absence of the holes on the punch card. The same system are using. 0 S and 1 S are using 0 for off and 1 for the on. So it's all are the method of the contributed by the related scientist. Okay. Next one is the that you know it is the major thing that we need to discuss many more. Okay. So in the related types of contribution, now we are going to discuss about the father of modern computer science, science, that you know, Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage was made two types of related, very important and useful devices, useful computer, that is known as the analytical engine and the difference engine. That two types of contribution is very, very useful for the future and the development stage of the developer. Analytical engine and difference engine was contributed by Charles Babbage. About the Charles Babbage, we need to discuss a little bit things, a little bit point. He was the professor of Cambridge University of London, and of course, he was also a brilliant student and the professor of the Cambridge University of London in mathematicians. He was a mathematician, good mathematician, and they can easily manage their principle, their logic to contribute analytical engine and difference engine. These all are the related things that we have. We need to utilize. We need to utilize the related admit, wait. Okay. Hello, my dear student. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Thank you. Okay, so we are going very shortly here about the Charles Babbage and about the Charles Babbage related contribution. Some are going to disturb us. Okay, so about the related types of things we need to discuss. Charles Babbage was born in 1791 AD in United Kingdom, UK, United Kingdom. He was the professor of mathematicians at Cambridge University as well as the creative thinkers also. In 19th century, he invented analytical and difference engine. The concept of input, process, output, and storage was gifted by him. Let me tell you this very concept that we need to focus here. The concept of input, process, output, the logic, input, process, output, cycle system that you know already, cycling, life cycle, like that's life cycle. Computer are also, there is the process, that process is running through the different types of stage by stage, input, process, output, and storage was gifted by the analytical engine and difference engine related researchers. That researcher name that you know already, Charles Babbage. Okay, so the next one we need to discuss the another more thing. Okay, next one is the about the related picture that you know you have already identified, I think. She was the great, she was the great and most tougher students of Charles Babbage. Basically, Ada, it means Lady Augusta Ada Lovelace, first programmer. Ada Lovelace was the student of Charles Babbage at Cambridge University as well, the daughter of great English poet Lord Borde, the father of the father of Lady Augusta and Ada Lovelace. His name is Lord Borde. She gave the idea of using binary number system also, binary number 0 to 9. How computer will calculate that type of logic, that type of process, that type of related skill was provided by the related students of Cambridge. Her name is Lady Augusta and Ada Lovelace. She gave the idea using binary number system to Charles Babbage in his analytical engine. Therefore, she is contributed as the first programmer in the computer history. Okay, so are the related contribution of different types of researcher and developers, scientists. Next one is the in the electromechanical era we need to discuss. In the related of electromechanical era, there is the different types of related contribution that we need to discuss tomorrow. Sorry, next class, in our next classes. So don't worry about this. And I have another meeting also for class 6. So I'd like to inform you and request you all the students of our class 8, please inform the student of class 6. We are waiting in the Zoom for the related teaching of our books, health. Anyway, for your related types of homework that we can assign, read the chapter and remember the different types of contribution, history of contribution. Please remember the history of computer, history of computer or contribution of made by different types of researcher. Okay, thank you all.